kids that are depending on you to come up with this computer language to allow them to use computers. And besides, think about your heroes, all the men and women you believed in, who never quit.
He got fired when he worked as a train boy for the railroad man.
And then he went to work as a telegraph clerk and got fired again.
His boss said he spent too much time doing stupid stuff.
And then some crazy gadgets called a phonograph and the light bulb. He was a dreaming man, ain't no doubt. Y'all tell me who you think I'm talking about.
Thomas Edison.
He was a dreamer. He was a dreamer. Held on to his dream through everything. Yes, and he worked no matter how hardships stood in his way. It made me want to play just this way. Work. She had this dream since she was just a little girl.
But time flew by and no one ever gave her a chance to try.
He said a woman's place is in the home.
The plane supposed to fly.
Now can you guess who made those famous flights?
Amelia Earhart.
Right.
She was a dreamer. Held on to a dream through everything. Yes, and she worked no matter how hardships stood in her way. She made me wanna play just this way. Now work. Even the best politicians may lose elections sometimes, you know. But I know an old goss who lost so much that he pity foe.
11 times he ran, 11 times he bellied up.
But he was a tough old boy from Illinois, and he was not giving up.
But he ran one more time and slapped my face. King President of the United States. Now who I'm saying? Abraham Lincoln. That's right.
He was a dreamer. He was a dreamer. Held on to his dream through everything. Yes, and he worked no matter the hardships stood in his way.
No, I got to say
He was a dreamer. He was a dreamer. Held on to his dream through everything. Yes, and he worked no matter what hardships stood in his way.
Well, Thomas Edison once said, inventing is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration. And that means you gotta work to make your dreams come true. It's hard work, but it's fun. And you can't listen to guys like Rolf, who don't got nothing to contribute but their negative comments. So, don't forget to